Stoutward Bound helped me adjust to college because we were able to participate in a 2-week class before everyone else started. So that definitely took away the anxiety and stress about starting a college class, how college professors were. So that definitely helped me out at the beginning of the year.
One thing throughout the Stoutward Bound program is that the staff from the Multicultural Student Services, they come by often to kind of like introduce themselves and kind of like connect with us.
The mentors, they're like people our age who already went through like a year or two of college, and they helped us like really know what was gonna happen.
There's a lot of workshops that they do in the Stoutward Bound program, like the STAR course. Remember the workshop that's this repeating kind of class that teaches you study skills, reading skills, and expectations for college.
It's really nice to have people who understand what you're going through.
It's good to have the peer community. It's good to have the grown-up community that, has been doing this for a couple of years and kind of has that wisdom.
It helped me like get outside my comfort zone a little bit and talk to more people and experience like different things or get offered opportunities to try different things.
If I didn't have a mentor, I don't know how I would have been now. Having this like connection and being able to talk to them, having these one-on-ones, and also the fact that they're a student as well makes it easier to kind of like ask questions about Stout, learn about college life, and just gain a better understanding of everything.
I think Stoutward Bound is a really good program. We got Stout Adventures to go to, the rope stuff, and then we got the S Cubed, and I think that really helps because it got me out of my room. It got me talking to people. It just got me moving, and I have my closer friends are not part of Stoutward Bound, but having such a strong community is just such a big benefit.
The highlight for me in participating in Stoutward Bound definitely has to be the close-knit of friends I made because they're definitely lifetime.
It reminds you that you're not alone, and I think that's very important because again, we're all coming to college by ourselves and it can be scary. Stoutward Bound can definitely help break down that challenge and just make a home away from home.